going down the street in our favorite Honda car, going to a job. Okay, so Cody and I are gonna clean a bathroom today.
Well, more than that, but...
Hey Cody, if you're in this lane, you're gonna have to get on the freeway.
This is gonna be scary. I need to get over it. Ah! Sorry.
Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining today's Cleaning the Easy Way. Today we're going to be cleaning a bathroom. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. That way you're not going to miss whenever we upload some amazing tips and tricks. To help remove the hard water stains, we are using a Swift Scrub by Scotch-Brite. This little sponge is amazing and you don't have to use any chemicals. Cody starts at the top with the shower heads. That way, the cleaner on the shower walls has more time to sit and do its job. Cody's getting the floor prepared for our Bissell CrossWave. We call this edge mopping. We're done. We're done cleaning. Don't forget to subscribe.